Nasal sprays are a common over-the-counter and prescribed medication for sinus issues, blocked nose and hay fever, amongst other things. Hi there, I'm Dr. Sinan, GP and longevity doctor, and I have sinusitis. I have a mind-numbing pressure right here on my face that I've had for the last week or so, and I'm going to show you the best way to use a steroid spray to get rid of symptoms such as decongestion and pressure in your sinuses and in your nasal cavities. If you're using a steroid nasal spray for the first time, make sure that you shake it well for about 10 seconds with the cap on. Then remove the cap, hold the nasal spray upright, point the nozzle away from you, and then press the pump mechanism just to make sure that you're getting that fine mist and that things are working. Do this until you see a fine mist. This primes the bottle and now you're ready for action. Before you take the first hit, make sure that you blow your nose and reshake the bottle. Hold the nasal spray in the opposite hand to the nostril in which you're going to use it. Tilt your head forwards just a little bit, place the nozzle inside your nostril, and the main point here is to point it slightly away from the center of your nose. A lot of people point it this way. That's not the best way to do it. It tends to go into the back of your throat. So point it slightly away from your nose, and then once it's in there, squirt. After you've squirted, you can take a little bit of a sniff inside. You shouldn't need to take a deep sniff in. If you're noticing a taste at the back of your throat, you probably sniffed too hard or you're pointing in the wrong direction. Repeat the same step for the other nostril if you need to use it in both nostrils. Left hand for right nostril, point away from the center, squeeze. Take a little bit of a sniff, that's it. When you're done, you can wipe down the nozzle, put the cap back on. If you've used the treatment correctly, it shouldn't drip from your nose and it shouldn't be tasted at the back of your throat. Thanks for watching. Till next time, stay healthy.